In many construction sites, the machine requirements and job specifications can change several times a day and might include digging, contouring, spreading gravel, leveling, and compacting. The ability to carry out a wide range of tasks more efficiently and with one machine gives you an advantage over your competitors. Rototilt makes this a reality. Rototilt is an exceptionally innovative and versatile excavator and backhoe attachment. It combines side tilt, continuous rotation, and a hydraulic quick coupler in one package. The attachment can be rotated and tilted at the same time, making it simple to operate around or under obstacles, and for any type of ground contouring. This unique combination of continuous rotation and side tilt lets you operate in extremely tight work areas and approach your job from any angle. The flexibility of the Rototilt allows an excavator or backhoe to perform functions that would normally require specialized equipment, multiple machines, or additional manpower. The Rototilt allows the operator to perform new tasks and work more efficiently in all types of conditions or situations. Carrier installation is simple, requiring only one hydraulic circuit to operate all three Rototilt functions. A built-in auxiliary valve section allows the operation of a grapple or other low-flow attachments without additional plumbing. The Rototilt can be equipped with Volvo-style quick couplers top and bottom. This allows not only buckets and tools to be changed quickly, but also allows the Rototilt attachment to be easily removed from the carrier if necessary. The Volvo-style quick couplers are also very compact compared to other brands. All Rototilt functions are controlled by joystick buttons. Rototilt quickly converts your excavator from a simple digging machine to a flexible, multifunctional tool carrier. Without the Rototilt, the operator must constantly move the machine to a new position, which takes time and is not always practical. Regardless of the operation, whether digging, filling, or leveling, it's seldom necessary to move a Rototilt-equipped machine. This saves time and money. Jobs which before could only be carried out with the assistance of manual labor or additional equipment can now be performed more quickly, safely, and economically. 5 Rototilt models cover carrier sizes from 3 to 30-ton capacity. With thousands of units operating in just about every type of application, Rototilt is time-proven and extremely durable throughout all operating systems. The Rototilt is designed to handle full excavator lifting capacity and breakout forces. The main rotating body is made from a robust steel casting. A high-torque worm drive assembly ensures precise rotation and is contained within an oil bath to provide constant lubrication and cooling of all components. This design results in a practically maintenance-free system with a long working life. Rototilt opens up new dimensions in excavator and backhoe work and overcomes many challenges. Rototilt improves overall machine performance with the potential to save significant time and increase profits. Many contractors see a payback in a very short time. They often get work which for others is impossible or can only be carried out at a much greater cost. Rototilt makes it all possible.